NTUKU kimande kureo Gukunguira Jongu na Ngatunyi kingiro kinyumo kemeru KWS na Bonfrey kana gikundi giteke kidirikane betete na maru kilomita nyanya mwanka kyote bakimede mwingi we yabonyumo iche KITHAKA na BOMBA KINYOKARANIA nachyo akarini bore tunende kuringa ripoti endera boidokiro ne nyumo yanto gucyura kana kucyura ria Marion Karugi na ndatwenkuroki
ni rwendo rwa kilomita 8 kuma Kisithone kya nyumo cia KITHAKA Meru National Park Nterese Murera mwanka kiotene Gukunguira ntuko ya nyumo cia KITHAKA irani Ngatunyi na NJOGU mambura ya kudhuranira ni rwangirwa kumenyera nyumo cia KITHAKA KWS bawatanirite na ikundikite kya kithirikari kya kuthetera haki kire nyumo izi nikyo Born Free Foundation moroto ya mambura ya yuri kumenyethia antu mawaya ya nyumo cia KITHAKA na uraba bahati kurianira nacio.
We will ensure they survive.
Today we're having a very special occasion. We're celebrating lions and elephants in Meru. As you all know that Meru is where Born Free started. It's our home. It's where our heart is. We're doing it not because of a lot of decline in the population, but we're doing it because there's increase in both lions and in elephants.
As we mark this day, we are alive to the fact that we have issues of human-wildlife conflict that have been on the increase and on the rise, where we have communities living around or neighboring national parks and protected areas. Of course, we have spillovers of wildlife going to these community areas, especially during the times of dry season, and when we have encroachment into the protected areas.
I'm happy that today we've involved the community so that they may understand and also know what these great animals do to our nature and their importance. And from our end, sometimes we have challenges of human-wild conflict that at times it takes too long for the challenges to be addressed, especially on issues concerning compensation.
Major threats one is conflict between basically wildlife and the community, human beings. That's a major threat that we have. As you know, that populations have increased in Kenya and mostly within the boundaries of the national park. And there is that conflict, but we try to manage it as much as possible.
Akiaria na ndikibanteto morungamiri package ya Meru Kitathika Loki ne wetene baikite mitaratara ya kurieria andu atete nyumo cia KITHAKA nanto irasiuma na ciana nyumo izi kuithoka miunda ya arimi na kureimera bio.
Of course, we have adopted various technologies on human wildlife mitigation intervention strategies. Besides the fence, where we have issues of hippos destroying crops, we do moats. These are trenches that will prevent hippos from crossing to the community land. Where we have problem elephants that are immune to the fences that we have, we've tried to also include a small fence. We call it a butterfly fence, which has proved effective in so many ways. But of course, coming along, Born Free Foundation has also complemented our initiatives as what you have heard from the country director. They have introduced, in collaboration with the community and with us, we've been able to have beehives as a strategy to see how we can have elephants deterred from invading crops.
Born Free Foundation, we've had several mitigation measures that we've managed to set out in the community areas. One is what we call the eye cow, which is very effective, where we paint something like an eye at the back of the cow, and that works very well for predators.
Na yani yo mataro kireanto uraba bahati ukarania na nyumo izi.
The wildlife is Kenya's heritage. The wildlife belongs to them. That's one thing they should know. So when they kill wildlife, they're killing their heritage.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Kisithone kya nyumo cia KITHAKA Meru National Park mbeta wa Marion Karugi wa Kenyua.